What is the origin of laws? Jehovah God, who is the third aspect of the God of our solar system, is the author of laws. The objective is to tame the lower desires of humanity and usher us into a higher and loftier desires. Jehovah God is to prepare and lead humanity to Christ, who will also hand the kingdom over to the Father at the end. Towards this end, creation and the activities of humanity are guided by laws. Any disobedience is met with sanctions, and whether the individual knows it or not, whether the individual knows about the laws or not, that does not prevent him or her from being sanctioned so long as the laws have been broken. The first laws were given to humanity in the Garden of Eden to live a chaste life, not to abuse the creative energy described as the tree of life in the Old Testament of the Bible. Humanity disobeyed this law by acting contrary to the law. This disobedience led to the loss of spiritual consciousness. We lost our spiritual consciousness in place of physical consciousness. This is the original sin of humanity, and from that moment, we as spirits in flesh have carried out many activities which are contrary to the laws of nature, for which reason corrections will have to be made. Each of the 7 worlds in which humanity as spirits is journeying has its laws. In each of these 7 worlds, there are laws. The physical world is guided by laws such as the law of gravity, law of time and distance, law of contraction and expansion, among others. Then there are the spiritual laws. Examples include law of cause and effect or law of consequence, law of association, law of attraction, law of repulsion, the principle of love, law of rebirth, and so on. All these laws are linked, although each one of them has its own purpose. Let's look at the inequalities of life.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.